Welcome back to a new video, everyone. So today we'll be building the QK60. So QK60 is a brand new keyboard made by a company called qwerty keys, and huge thanks to Mechaland for bringing this keyboard to Indonesia. And from this board you will get the case with your preference of color, the plate, the PCBs, and I ordered an extra palm plate and steps, cables, and of course the most important thing is the foam, baby. Let's go. So this board, the group buy started from 7 October 2022, so it took like 5 months to arrive at my house. So there's a pretty fast production for keyboard. The price I spent for this keyboard is around 300 SGD. So in this build, I'll be using the PBT Paiga from PBT Fans. They have a very unique color, and the switches I'll be using in this keyboard build is the red jacket. Yep. So red jacket is a linear switch, and it have a signature of like loud sounds with the you can say the thin keycaps. Loud sound there. Okay, now it's focused now. Okay. So the reason why is it so few in the jar because it's inside the QK65 over there. Yep. During recording this video, it is 4 AM and I'm feeling a bit sleepy, so let's continue next day. Alright, nice sleep, boy. We will continue our build. First thing to do is pull out the keycaps from the QK65, and I'll show you guys some really cool magic. Okay, prepare to watch. So the fastest way is you pull out the keycap puller and hit 1, 2, 3. See, easy baby. And the switch puller, 1, 2, 3. Easy baby. Nice. Okay, now get rid of the QK65 ugly damn shit, and here's the QK60. Oh sorry guys, I swear. Okay, open it up, and don't forget to put the steps pad to reduce the rattle, and of course don't forget to test the PCB, guys. If you don't test the PCB, then the QK company wouldn't take the warranty. Yes, I'm excited for this board because it has the RGB. It's been a long time since I have a RGB keyboard. All my keyboard doesn't have RGB anymore. So sad. And here I'll be using the all steps loop with krytox 205 grade 0, all mixed with 105 grade 0. And don't forget to screw in, and I use all the foam provided by the keep, including the EVA, everything. And for the first build, I'll try the palm plate first and later change to the aluminium. And important thing, guys, when you insert the switch to a palm plate, you surround the PCB first, because otherwise it will like warp a bit and then make your keyboard ugly. Right, plug it in, put everything back, screw in the top casing. Don't screw too hard, guys, because maybe the acrylic or plastic will like crack. And put the rubber pit. And let's go, finally the keycaps, put them in, baby. They look so gorgeous, guys. I swear you, if there's a group buy for these keycaps again, you should go and buy, because they look so damn amazing. And here's the magic, boom, finish. And oof, that crispy space bars, yeah. And lastly, don't forget to plug in the cable. Oh yeah, okay, plug in the cable. And this is a sound test. Enjoy, guys.